Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, chances are you're either running a business, managing a team, or just looking for that magical edge that cuts through the noise and boosts efficiency. We all know the hustle is real, but what if I told you that the secret weapon you need isn't more caffeine, but cutting-edge artificial intelligence? For years, AI felt like science fiction, something only mega corporations with unlimited budgets could touch. But today, thanks to incredible advancements, powerful, specialized AI tools are accessible to everyone, from solopreneurs to mid-sized firms. These aren't just trendy gadgets, they are solutions to your most persistent, frustrating business problems. In this deep dive video, which is specifically designed for practical application, we are going to break down 10 different categories of AI tools that are radically transforming how we work. We'll look at the specific problem each tool solves, recommend some excellent examples you can start using today, and discuss the immediate return on investment you can expect. If you're serious about scaling, minimizing those tedious tasks that eat up your time, and maximizing profit, you need to stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable roadmap for integrating AI into your workflow, ready to stop working harder and start working smarter. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and let us jump straight into the first massive business problem AI is solving: content creation and marketing overload. Problem number 1: content creation and marketing overload. We all know content is king, but the sheer volume needed blogs, social media posts, email sequences can crush even the most dedicated marketing department. It's expensive, time-consuming, and often leads to burnout. The AI solution here is the rise of generative AI writing assistants. Tools like Jasper, Copy, and others don't just fill in blanks. They analyze successful marketing copy, understand brand voice guidelines, and generate high-quality, SEO-optimized text drafts in minutes. Need 5 variants of a Facebook ad copy done. Need a 2,000-word blog outline? Completed before your coffee cools. These tools dramatically reduce the time spent on initial drafting and brainstorming, sometimes by 80%. Instead of paying a copywriter for hours of foundational work, you're paying them to edit, refine, and strategize tasks where human creativity truly shines. This translates directly into faster campaign launches and significantly lower marketing costs. Plus, since these tools often incorporate SEO keyword optimization automatically, your content is more likely to rank and drive organic traffic. Problem number 2: customer support bottlenecks and high operating costs. Customer support is crucial, but hiring and training human agents 24/7 is costly. Customers hate waiting, and poor support leads to lost loyalty and bad reviews. The AI fix: smart chatbots and virtual assistants powered by natural language processing, or NLP. Think of platforms like Intercom or Zendesk AI features, or specialized bots like Drift. These tools can handle up to 70% of common customer inquiries without human intervention, answering fax, tracking orders, and guiding users to simple troubleshooting. What's the business impact? Instant 24/7 support availability means happier customers, fewer abandoned carts, and higher customer retention rates. For the business, it means your human support agents are freed up to handle complex, high-value problems that actually require empathy and deep knowledge. This shift turns a cost center customer support into a value-add service, all while massively reducing overhead salaries and training expenses. Moving on to problem number 3: data overload and decision paralysis. Every business generates mountains of data sales figures, website traffic, inventory levels, customer feedback. Analyzing all this raw information to make sound strategic decisions is often overwhelming and prone to human error or bias. The AI solution is predictive analytics and business intelligence tools. Systems like Tableau with AI features, or specialized platforms like DataRobot that use machine learning algorithms to sift through historical data far faster and more accurately than a human analyst ever could. They identify subtle patterns, forecast future trends, and even simulate the impact of different strategic choices. Imagine being able to predict, with high accuracy, which products will be out of stock next month, or which customer segment is most likely to churn. This isn't guesswork, it's data-driven certainty. The ROI here is massive: better inventory management, minimizing waste, maximizing marketing spend by targeting the right people, and ultimately making faster, smarter, and less risky business decisions. This is where you transform data into dollars. Problem number 4. Inefficient and error-prone administrative tasks. How much time does your team spend on manually entering data, scheduling meetings, processing invoices, or sorting emails? These small, repetitive tasks accumulate into huge productivity drains and are constant sources of human error. The fix is robotic process automation, or RPA. Tools like UiPath or Automation Anywhere deploy software robots to mimic human actions in digital systems. They can automatically process receipts, onboard new employees by setting up accounts across various software, reconcile financial statements, and extract specific data points from documents. RPA is the ultimate virtual assistant for the mundane. By automating these predictable, high-volume tasks, you're not just saving time, you're achieving near-perfect accuracy. Employees are liberated from the soul-crushing routine and can focus their energy on creative, problem-solving, high-value work. If you have any standardized process that involves moving data from point A to point B, RPA is your next essential investment. Let's talk about problem number 5, the struggle for personalization in sales and marketing. Generic, mass-market messages no longer cut it. Customers expect tailored experiences, but manually segmenting audiences and crafting individualized outreach across thousands of contacts is simply not feasible. The AI solution: hyper-personalization engines and CRM enhancements. Many modern customer relationship management systems, like Salesforce's Einstein AI, now use machine learning to analyze customer behavior in real time. They determine the optimal time to send an email, recommend the next best product a customer is likely to purchase, and even score leads based on their likelihood to convert. This is critical because personalization drives engagement. When a potential customer receives an offer that feels specifically designed for them, conversion rates skyrocket. AI handles the complexity of analyzing millions of touch points, allowing your sales team to focus their precious time on the hottest leads, leading to shorter sales cycles and a direct increase in revenue. Problem number 6 addresses a huge challenge for many small businesses: complex financial forecasting and budgeting. Traditional financial planning relies on static spreadsheets and historical data, making it rigid and slow to adapt to sudden market changes. The AI answer is adaptive financial planning software. Tools in this category go beyond basic spreadsheet calculations. They integrate market signals, macroeconomic trends, and internal performance data to create dynamic, continuously updating financial models. They can instantly recalculate forecasts based on a sudden change, like an interest rate hike or a new competitor entering the market. This allows businesses to pivot quickly, instead of waiting for the quarterly review to realize a budget shortfall. The AI flags potential issues proactively. This superior visibility means better cash flow management, reduced financial risk, and the ability to allocate resources to their most profitable areas instantly, ensuring the business stays agile and resilient. Problem number 7, recruiting fatigue and bias in hiring. Sifting through hundreds of resumes for a single role is exhausting, time-consuming, and often results in human recruiters unconsciously favoring candidates who look or sound familiar, introducing harmful bias. The AI solution here is AI-powered applicant tracking systems, or ATS. Tools like those offered by platforms like Greenhouse or Lever now incorporate AI features that can objectively score and rank candidates based purely on skills, experience, and the requirements outlined in the job description. They filter out unqualified applications quickly and efficiently. The benefit is twofold. First, massive time savings. The machine handles the initial screening, leaving human recruiters only the top candidates to interview. Second, and crucially important, it promotes fairness. By neutralizing unconscious human bias during the initial review, companies can build more diverse, talented, and ultimately more innovative teams. Problem number 8 is a fundamental operational headache: inventory mismanagement and supply chain inefficiencies. Holding too much inventory ties up capital. Holding too little leads to lost sales and disappointed customers. Managing a complex global supply chain is a logistical nightmare, especially with unpredictable events constantly occurring. The AI fix is demand forecasting and supply chain optimization platforms. These sophisticated systems use machine learning to process a vast array of variable seasonal trends, weather patterns, historical sales data, promotional plans, and even global news alerts to predict demand much more accurately than traditional methods. The outcome: just-in-time inventory that minimizes storage costs and capital investment, while virtually eliminating stockouts. Furthermore, I can optimize logistics routes and flag potential supplier disruptions before they happen, giving managers time to execute contingency plans. This translates directly into lower carrying costs, smoother operations, and increased customer satisfaction. Now, problem number 9, the difficulty of rapid innovation and product development. In a fast-paced market, businesses must constantly innovate, but traditional product testing and market research are slow and expensive. Here, we turn to generative design AI and simulation tools. In engineering and design, I can take design constraints and performance goals and instantly generate hundreds or even thousands of potential design solutions that humans would never have conceived of. Furthermore, AI simulation tools can virtually test how a product will perform under stress, saving millions on physical prototyping. This dramatically accelerates the product development cycle. Companies can bring better, more optimized products to market faster than their competition, increasing competitive advantage. For marketing, similar AI tools can analyze early user feedback and suggest product improvements or feature priority based on sentiment analysis, ensuring development resources are always focused on what customers truly value. Finally, problem number 10, which impacts every single sector: cybersecurity threats and data breaches. The volume and sophistication of cyber attacks are constantly growing, and human security analysts can easily miss subtle, early warning signs hidden within vast network traffic data. The AI solution is proactive threat detection and security operations platforms. Modern security tools now utilize AI and machine learning to constantly monitor network activity, learning what normal traffic looks like. When they detect even the slightest deviation or login from an unusual location, an abnormally large data transfer, or a new type of malware signature, the AI flags it instantly and can often mitigate the threat automatically before human intervention is even required. The ROI here is not just efficiency, it's survival. A major data breach can cost a business millions in fines, recovery costs, and reputation damage. AI-driven security acts as a force multiplier, giving your security team 24/7 ultra-vigilant protection that is essential in today's digital landscape, ensuring business continuity. and protecting your most valuable assets, your data, and your customer trust. So, we've covered 10 massive business problems, from content creation to cyber threats, and the AI tools that offer concrete, measurable solutions. If you take one thing away from this video, let it be this: AI is no longer a luxury for tech giants. It is a fundamental operational necessity for any business aiming for efficiency and growth in the modern world. The businesses that embrace these tools now will be the market leaders of tomorrow. I want to hear from you. Which of these 10 AI solutions are you most excited to implement in your own business? Let me know in the comments below. Have you already started using an amazing AI tool that I didn't mention? Share it with the community. If you found this breakdown useful and you're ready to stop trading time for money, please hit the like button. Subscribe for more actionable business tech insights, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.